Hi everyone, and thanks for watching another episode of Adam the Chef. Today I'll be doing a nice quick video on how to make a buttermilk chicken burger. I'll be doing my little twist on it and coating it in a nice Korean sticky sauce. So hope you enjoy the video. The recipe will be in the description below, and I'll do a step-by-step process on how I make the dish. So thanks for watching, please enjoy.
So to start with, I have some chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, and I just trim off the excess fat and any of the small bones remaining on the chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are best to use, I find, in this recipe. However, you can use chicken breast if you prefer. After all the chicken thighs have been trimmed up, you then start with a bag of flour. I use about 300 grams of flour and spice of your choosing. I use smoked paprika, cumin, salt, a bit of ginger and a bit of ground coriander. And I think a bit of Cajun actually. Give that a good mix in the bag, and then literally add one chicken thigh at a time and coat that all in flour. Give it a shake for about five seconds. Take it out the bag using the tongs. Don't get any mess. Keep your hands clean. And then put it into your buttermilk mixture and coat it nicely. If you don't, again, have buttermilk, yogurt is fine to use. After all your chicken thighs have been placed into the buttermilk, you want to make sure you've kept hold of that flour bag and add one thigh at a time into it. Give it another shake for 5 seconds, and there you have your buttermilk chicken burgers. I will at this point out that chicken thighs are best to be brined beforehand for 24 hours. The recipe will be in the description below. However, if you haven't brined them, just leave them in that buttermilk for about 4 to 6 hours, and there we have it. So I now start to fry the chicken thighs. I'm using a frying pan with about 1 centimetre, 2 centimetre depth of vegetable oil. Just carefully place them in and make sure they get golden and crispy on each side. I don't want to cook them at this point, I just want to sort of seal them. If you do have a conventional fry, that would be better to use, or a deep pan if you do it safely, half filled with vegetable oil. I then take them out and drain them on a blue cloth or kitchen towel. And then there we have it, some nice crispy chicken thighs. However, they're not cooked, so I'll put them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 180. We now start to make the Korean hot sauce. I use a fresh thumb of ginger, and I find the best way to peel it is using a teaspoon. Just be careful when you peel it because it can get loose on your hand when using a teaspoon. I obviously then have some garlic, chili, honey, soy sauce, coriander, some sesame seed oil and some rice wine vinegar. I roughly just chop all the ingredients and place it into the blitzer. And yeah, as you can see, that blender broke on me. Anyway, I've got a new one, and I blitzed the Korean hot sauce for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and smooth, as you can see there. I then add it to a frying pan and let that reduce down. Don't do what I've done there, use a tablespoon on a metal frying pan, otherwise you will damage your frying pan, but I am very careful when I do it. Use a spatula or wooden spoon. As you can see though there, the sauce is nice and sticky and it has reduced down. Now we want to add the cooked buttermilk chicken thigh and get that sauce all soaked up into the lovely chicken there. Still cooking it on a low temperature on the frying pan, and there we have it. Give it a few turns over, make sure it's all nicely coated onto it. And yeah, there's a buttermilk Korean style chicken burger. I've put it in a nice sesame seed brioche bun, garnished it with some lettuce and onion. However, you can do a nice Asian slaw, put it with some nice sweet potato wedges or fries. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching again. All your feedback and support is hugely appreciated. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll do the next one soon.